Hi guys, I'm Isista, and it's part 7 showing my village, and well, it's kind of like a town, but there's a bunch of villagers in here, and they all are hiding from the zombies. Are you okay there? I'm hard to get out there. Oh yeah. This is in there. Seriously guys, did I even put anything in there? Here's a couch, carpet. The dog sitting on the carpet, really? There's a carrot. Okay. I eat a carrot! Where's your tail? It's in the wall, I guess. And there's 2 beds there for them. Table, book, theater, flower, oven, and a craft place, I guess. Nothing in their oven. Great. Okay, let's go to the secret way. It's nothing really, just... Guys, stop crowding! What is going on here? Why is everyone at the door? I bet that villager feels lonely. I don't know what to do. Hello there. Hello! It's me. Yeah, it's really nothing, but I'm gonna be building something over here soon, so yeah. Running all the way. Excuse me. Okay, you wanna go out there? Alright. Have fun. And which door they go through, they won't get lost because they will just stop by the end. And they're not gonna go anywhere, I hope, because that's why I put these things here. Yeah, that's why I put these gates. Let's go to the bridge house, I call it. That's what I call it. And I have my own bridge. Isn't that cool? I wanna see what it looks like when you're up. It's a T. Cut me down! Like the dogs come under and catch me when I fall down. It's pretty cool. It's like they save my life. There's whatever they're called. This is Miss Bunny's house, but I don't know where she is. She watches karate too. Like, why does everyone in this town watch karate? Wow. Oh, I think she's exercising. I guess this helps her exercising. That's probably why I always see her jumping right here. She's like this. She could have jumping in the corner for no reason. I guess